MV Agusta Dragster 800R are best naked bikes. Naked bikes, fast, agile, relatively comfortable to ride and, let's be honest, damn hot to look at. No wonder this segment of the motorcycle market has rapidly gained popularity since the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers have bare bikes in their range. So let's see which ones stand out from the crowd and should be considered the best naked bikes. What is a nude bike? Technically, any motorcycle without hoods could be called a naked bike. In fact, what we are talking about when we say a naked bike is a slightly modified sports bike with few or no coats. The term nude bike comes from the undressing, removal of the hoods, of a sports bike. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, racing drivers with crashed bikes and empty wallets began upcycling their damaged two-wheeled vehicles. Broken plastic covers were removed and cheap handlebars that promoted a more upright driving position were installed. The addition of lights legally allowed these bikes on the streets, where the remaining fights were a mark of honor. These early Chris and Street Fighters became so popular that the trend shifted from do-it-yourself garages to manufacturing floors. Ducati was the first to manufacture naked motorcycles at the factory. Their 1993 release of the Ducati Monster paid tribute to a new design era. Until then, the frame and engine components of motorcycles had been hidden away behind the plastic. But with the unveiling of the Monster's iconic trellis frame, the beauty of the practical became the secret weapon for the best naked bikes. While at first only the appearance of the bikes was changed, the factory production of naked motorcycles also brought about small changes in performance. In general, naked bike engines will be tuned compared to their sports bike cousins. With more torque lower down, it comes at the expense of a few miles at the end of the speedo range. These changes ensure that a naked motorcycle is more suitable for roads and city driving than the traditional superbikes. MV Agusta Dragster 800RR. The MV Agusta Dragster is the perfect blend of power, technology, and design. This is a motorbike that commands your attention. Whether you're looking at it or riding it, it is simply captivating. The Dragster sports full ride-by-wire, specifically designed mappings and traction control adjustable on 8 levels. It all comes together when it reaches its eye-watering 150+ mph top speed. Key specs: engine 798cc, transmission 6-speed, power 140 HP, torque 87 Nm, dry weight 386 pounds, seat height 32.5 in. What are naked bicycles best for? To answer this question, we should go back and consider what a naked bike is. With their origins firmly entrenched in the superbike and sport bike segments of the motorcycle market, nude bikes were first designed for performance. They are powerful, fast and incredibly fun to drive. Their perfect power-to-weight ratio makes it easy to handle, even for beginners. That is, if you do not jump on one of the more than 1,000 cubic centimeters machines right away, but who are weak to judge. Naked bikes are perfect for daily use in the city and city commuting, as well as weekends in the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. The more upright seating position on these bikes is comfortable across disciplines. The best naked bikes are relatively light, making them easy to maneuver through traffic or in and out of parking lots. So, when the weekend rolls around, just turn the throttle for some seriously fun. Naked bikes are fast on flat and balanced in turns, making them perfect motorcycles for short rides and scenic rides in the mountains.